Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm gonna go ahead with a short review of an eye product which was recently launched. I mean, it's been 2-3 months that it has been launched. I'll be talking about this Lakme Iconic eyeliner. The Lakme Iconic Kajal is favorite for all, but as Lakme has introduced their eyeliner, I wanted to use it and review and if it will be better from the Absolute range or not. But before starting with this short review, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and do click on the notification bell for regular updates. This was the outer packaging where all the information is written on the packaging, including the quantity as well as the range, and the ingredients and everything is written, which I'll not go in detail, just what it claims. So it is deep black matte finish, lasts up to 24 hours, though I've not tried it for 24 hours. Smudge proof, waterproof, transfer proof, and suitable for those with sensitive skin and contact lenses. Inner packaging is also the same. Quite like the product. It's really sleek, it's black and has blue printing on it, which I like a lot. The tip that it has, it's really precise. It is a unique flexi tip. It flexes according to the curve of the eyes and gives the perfect wing. This is what I have applied on my eyes using this eyeliner and I quite liked it. And it is deep black. I mean, it's the blackest of the black that you could find in the market. It says it lasts for 24 hours. I've not yet tried it for 24 hours, but I used it today morning and it has quite put up well for around 7-8 hours. Let me just quickly apply some over here. It's very easy to use. See, to make a point over here, the Lakme Absolute range, I've been using that eyeliner for past 5-6 years, but it does irritate the eyes sometimes. With this, it did not irritate the eyes, which I absolutely loved. It's very sensitive and gentle to the eyes. And comparing the price point, this one costed around 250 rupees and the Lakme Absolute one is like 100 rupees more. Lakme has come up with a really good price range for this eyeliner, which I absolutely like. So this is totally dried out. I am rubbing it, like literally I am rubbing it and it does not smudge at all. It's stuck over here and it will be there. It's so good. It's so good. The Absolute one would have smudged up till now, but this, you can see it. I am rubbing it vigorously, but it's still set. Yes, it's transfer proof and smudge proof, which is a yay for me. Overall, I think the pros are more as comparative to any cons, which I could not find. First of all, I totally loved that it's smudge proof, transfer proof, waterproof, and then it's blackest of the black and does stay put on your eyes. And the foremost thing is that the Absolute one, I used to love that liner, but sometimes it did irritate, but it did not irritate my eyes at all. So obviously I'm love this product. Will be using it and will be repurchasing it more. So guys, that's all for this short review of this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do comment down below which other kind of videos you want to watch so that I can create it for you. That's it. Bye.